Good morning, all. So today my presentation point is common security risks in DevOps. So we in this presentation we will discuss what are the risks in DevOps and so that we can eliminate that risk. So why does security risks are increasing in a DevOps? These are increases due to faster development and deployment. As we see that in DevOps, the deployment speed is high as compared to the traditional one. So there will be risk that errors may propagate in the deployments. Also due to automation and frequent changes, if any configuration value is changed, we will face errors. We have multiple tools such that Jenkins, Trivy, SonarQube for monitoring stack, and so that's it. And their interaction also causes errors and propagate errors. And also some, and this is why sometimes the security will be overlooked. We will
So
overlook
the
for
types
the
of
speed of
security
deployment
risks
are stated below. There are some insecure code and vulnerabilities will be present in the from the development side, such as we will hard code the credentials in the code, the less secure coding practices, then the vulnerable third-party libraries, which will cause the security risks, and also sometimes to match the speed of deployment, we will avoid the code reviews and testing so that the risk also uh, propagates. CI/CD pipeline security risks. In CI/CD, we will expose the credentials. There should be unsecured bit servers such that the access will be given to a large number of people so that the server will be unsecured. And we don't have the proper access control. And also the security pipeline checks may cause the security risks. Also during container and images security risks, sometimes we will not write the docker ignore file so that the env files and the token keys will be stored in the image, and that image if stored on the public registry, it will be exposed to the words. Some base images, if we not use the official base images, then there will be the vulnerabilities in that image. So Docker has that limitation such that the running the container as root, which will also implement the security risks. And if we are not using image scanning, there will be the security risks maybe go into the production. Cloud and infrastructure misconfiguration, such as we will expose the servers and storage services to the public view. So not using the list permission privilege access to everyone, such as giving the excessive permissions to the users, and the misconfigured security groups, such as giving the AI access all over the internet, and insecure infrastructure as a code. In monitoring and logging gaps, we don't have the real-time monitoring, and we will have delayed incident detection. And the insufficient log retention will cause to lose logs before the incident. That's why we will have incidents such as logs will be lost, and there is no alerting for suspicious activities. So also not setting up the alerts rule for the suspicious activity. So these are the risks, but how we can reduce the DevOps these risks using the DevOps practices. So we have a shift-left security, which means we will implement the best security practices from the start of the development. We will automate the security testing, such as SAST testing using the SonarQube, then image scanning with the Trivy tool. We use the secure container images, and also we will apply the least privilege access to the servers and the applications. And with the monitoring tools, we will have a continuous monitoring on our all the application. So what this implement, we can say that DevOps without security is risky. Most breaches or the security comes due to only the misconfigurations. And so DevSecOps helps us to reduce the risk early. Thank you.